some time ago. This was about six years ago, I think. And I remember this very vividly because the gentleman who was taking the interview said that I am an MBA and I have done my entire education in various different field. And finally, he said that now I have finally stood up to my parents and said that I want to do what I want to do, and he wanted to be an RJ. So now, after doing all this time that he has actually spent doing what his parents wanted to do, wanted him to do, he has finally left everything and is working as an RJ. So, you know, times have changed from when I wanted to be a musician. And when I had gone to study in Australia, my relatives, so to say, and they are the biggest troublemakers, came and said that, okay, Raghav कहाँ है? पढ़ाई करने गए? हाँ, पढ़ाई करने गए. कहाँ पढ़ाई करने? ऑस्ट्रेलिया पढ़ाई करने गए. अच्छा, क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? म्यूजिक. हाँ, पढ़ क्या रहे हैं? That was the question every time. वो पढ़ ही म्यूजिक रहे हैं was a unheard of thing. But see, over here now, anybody who has a phone, a laptop, a tablet, and everybody does now these days, the person probably can just fight with his parents and run away in his room, can just upload his thing and be happy that at least he's being able to reach where he wanted to reach and is getting the right kind of reactions, whether discouragement or encouragement or whatever, at least he's able to express. So that is the most important thing that's happened over the years. The people are right at your palm, which is something which is phenomenal. And I think this kind of a platform like Fame, like the Youngstars, the HDFC Life Youngstars, this is going to be something which is most appreciated by people who do not have the capability of traveling, who do not have the funds to actually get to from point A to point B, then have hotel accommodations, then stay there, then have queues, then have parents who are that supportive. They can just do whatever they feel like from their palm.
Also, to add to what Raghav said, I think the kids who are going to be participating, I think the time in which they are right now, including my time, I would say, is great because music is now seriously being taken up as a profession. TV, dance, let it be anything related to entertainment. Now, there is a professional angle to it. People are taking it as a serious profession. Like how he said, I'm sure, 15 years back, 20 years back, people will say, music kar raha, but kaam kya karoge?
He's not that old, huh? 20. We'll stick to 10.
Okay, 10 years back. But yeah, people wouldn't take music as a serious profession, and I think everyone's seeing the opportunity. I think the opportunity that everyone has right now in our industry is huge. People are open to new talent. People are open to giving new people a chance. The exposure levels are huge. I think so. It's a great time for this, talent competition to happen.
And actually, can I add one thing? I think one of my very favorite things that we're doing with HDFC Life Youngstars is the collaboration with the mentor, with the student, and with the parent. That to me is really, really special because I haven't seen that on any other platform. And I go back into my childhood and I would not be here today. I'm sure we would all say this without our parents. And when I said that this is what I want to do for the rest of my life, like I needed that backing. I needed that help, that support, the emotional support, the financial support to help me get to the level that I've gotten to today. And my parents, and I think a lot of the parents out there, when you have a child that loves something so deeply and is so passionate and is very talented at something, they want to do everything they can to see that through and take them along. So my mom would drive an hour and a half every day to take me to dance class, and it was too far to go all the way back home and then come pick me up and then go back. So she spent half of her life, thank you Mom if you ever watch this, she spent half of her life in a dance studio watching me for 4 or 5 hours every day and would travel all around the country and now the world and stuff. So that collaboration is amazing, and I think when people start seeing this, that's going to resonate a lot with everyone out there. And it being a digital platform is just what is today, like what is 2016? I mean, all day we're on our phones. It's where you see all your content nowadays. So that collaboration is just going to be something totally special and new, I think.
Yeah. I think each participant is going to be very different. तो जब हम उनको सुनेंगे So it's going to be very individual to what we hear from them. And also, just one thing that my dad has always told me is to stay original. Don't try to, mimic anyone, who's already a star, because he's there because he's there. No one's going to look at you. So you try to develop your own identity, try to be as original as possible. And, that's what is going to take you to the heights that you always dreamed of. So I think that's one thing that I would like to tell everybody who's going to be participating, is to try and have your own original identity as to, how you sing, or your vocal tone, or your, whatever, whether it's dance or whatever. I'm sure it's the same with everything. Don't try and mimic anyone. Try to be your own identity and try to create that identity.
Yeah.
For me it would मेरे लिए बहुत important है कि एक level of, एक जैसे आपने कहा originality, and also don't try to please, don't worry about the outcome and how it will be perceived, क्योंकि उसमें बड़ा problem हो जाता है. And especially it's a little trickier in the humor genre, क्योंकि what I find funny you may not find funny, someone else, it's minute by minute, it's subjective. So I think one is just, even if it's about you talking to a hand puppet, you talking about your parents, anything. And also a lot of, आजकल बहुत लोगों का problem हो गया है कि comedy is stuck with stand-up. कि अगर आप कुछ 4-5 jokes बोल देंगे, that's what stand-up has also been misunderstood as. This is a performing arts genre, at least for me specifically. So anything you find funny, humorous, entertaining, and even if it's your personal journey, that's what's important. तो आप outcome के बारे में ज़्यादा फिक्र ना करें, अपनी originality और कि आपसे आ रहा है और आपकी कहानी है और आपकी observation है, उस पे ज़्यादा focus करें. Then the other stuff is our problem, not really yours.
Well, मेरे लिए essentially, if I'm only looking at instruments or singing, एक इतनी frustrating चीज़ है कि आपको अगर कोई instrument बार बार कोई एक गाना बजाना है, तो वो बजाने के लिए और वो वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए कि आप अच्छी तरीके से उसको बजा पाएँ, it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of repeated practice. It takes like hours and hours of scales and hours of a lot of रियाज. और आजकल सिचुएशन क्या हो गया है कि बच्चों को या सबको ऐसा लगता है कि अब मैंने ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट खरीद लिया है, अब मुझे वो बजाना आना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैंने इतना इन्वेस्ट कर दिया है, तो इतना एटलीस्ट इतना तो होना चाहिए कि मैं बजा सकूं.